In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find privacy policy on Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look inside Sheets to view Google's official privacy policy, so you can quickly confirm how your data is handled and what controls you have. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google's homepage. It helps to be signed in to your Google account, because that makes accessing your files and Sheets seamless. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, look for the grid icon made up of small dots. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to expand the panel of Google services. From the Apps panel, select Sheets. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list or choose the option to see more apps until Sheets appears. Clicking Sheets will open the main Sheets dashboard with your recent spreadsheets and templates. Next, open the spreadsheet you want. You can choose a recent file from the dashboard, search for it by name, or browse through your drive. Once the document is open, you'll be in the familiar editing view, with the menu bar across the top. Now look to the top menu and click Help. On some screens, this may appear as the word Help in the menu bar, and on smaller windows it could be represented by a question mark icon. Either way, open that menu to reveal helpful resources directly from within Sheets. In the Help menu, click Privacy Policy. This will open Google's privacy policy in a new browser tab. Give it a moment to load. The privacy policy explains what information Google collects, how it's used, where it's stored, and the choices you have for managing your privacy. If you use Google Workspace features, it's a good idea to review the sections that reference workspace and product-specific details. You can also look for information on data retention, sharing and transparency, and user controls like download, delete, or manage your data. If you're working in a professional or regulated environment, take note of links within the policy that lead to more detailed documentation, including terms, security commitments, and contact channels for questions. The policy is periodically updated, so it's worth checking the date at the top of the page to see when it was last revised. That's it. Starting from Google, opening Sheets, loading your document, and then using the Help menu to reach the privacy policy is the most direct way to confirm the latest information. These steps are consistent across most Google editors, so you'll find the same option in Docs and Slides as well. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and follow along as you review the policy in your own document.